Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be tear down of this audio amplifier that I got a couple of days ago. And let's start. We're gonna find out, once I open it, what kind of audio amplifier chip is inside and see the printed circuit board. But first I need to remove the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 screws. Alright. I'm using this electric screwdriver that I got from Aliexpress. Of course, I have a full video review for this one. Just check the link in the description below. Alright. So here it is, disassembled audio amplifier with this very beautiful made aluminum heatsink for the amplifier, the front panel, the knobs, and take a look at the PCB board. And right away, because many of you comment, does it have a Bluetooth audio receiver? Nope, it doesn't have. The Bluetooth audio receiver should be right here, but all the components are missing. That is another model maybe, but on the PCB there is a section where need to be the integrated circuit with all the components. Also we have two preamplifier. These are 4558, I think. Yes, okay, it's nicely done, but without Bluetooth. Oh. And the audio amplifier is here. They put a small heatsink. Take a look, and it's soldered. Okay, I need to remove this heatsink so I can see which audio amplifier chip is below that. Let's do that first. Desolder it. Darn it. Let's try again. Finally. Okay, so you can see it. The number are CS3830EO. That is the integrated amplifier that I will check online. And yes, I found some specification about this integrated chip. It's 2.1 audio amplifier with one channel that giving 30 watts and the other two channels left and right is giving 15 watts each. Beautiful. That meaning that this amplifier is good one, but the heatsink is too small. Maybe I need to replace with bigger one. And also the Bluetooth receiver is missing for this model. Never mind. Okay, that was all for today video, which was tear down of the amplifier that I bought a couple of days ago from Aliexpress, and I review. If you want to check that video, I'll put it in description below. Also, I'll put a link for this audio amplifier so you can buy it from Aliexpress if you want it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!